Ashes, and I am going to be drawing some cat breeds as cute girls today. First up, we have the Calico breed. The main way that I wanted to capture the personality of a calico cat with this character was through her posing, which I don't think I fully captured. I'm still working on dynamic poses. However, I also gave her some of edginess in her hairstyle as well as her expression. Calico cats are known to be a little bit more moody and on edge. They they are really good at speaking their mind when they're upset about something. For the coloring, I wanted to find a way to represent the patchiness that calicos tend to have that is more of a normal appearance in the human aspect. So I decided to give this character a condition called vitiligo, which is essentially your parts of your skin not being able to produce melanin properly, which causes it to be lighter than the rest of your skin. Usually it's symmetrical, which is what I tried to represent in this character, but sometimes it's only on one side or asymmetrical. It's honestly really beautiful, but most people who have it aren't treated as fairly or bullied when they're young if they're younger. So I feel it needs some more positive representation rather than just kind of being left as something is wrong with you, as too many people tend to see it. Next, we have a Siamese cat, which I did as a more close-up. There's no particular reason for it. One of the details that's unique in this design compared to most of my designs is that I gave her cross eyes, which is actually a very common thing to happen in Siamese cats. As for showing the personality of a Siamese cat, I chose to give her headphones as if she is singing along to her music, because Siamese cats tend to be very loud and vocal, and they just like the sound of their own voice and talking all the time. It's actually one of my favorite things a cat can do. I love the talkative cats quite a lot. As for coloring on this character, there wasn't a whole lot that I thought needed to be done to represent a Siamese cat in coloring, except for the really brilliant blue eyes, which almost every Siamese cat that I've seen has, unless they're mixed with something else. The last cat breed I am going to draw today is a Norwegian Forest cat. In my experience, these cats are very friendly and, of course, very fluffy. They tend to be a bit larger than the other cats, which I tried to represent in this character by making her longer. I don't think I fully represented how fluffy they are in her body, but in her hair, as you'll see, I've made it very long and large. Norwegian forest cats are known for their ability to climb trees compared to other cats. All cats can climb trees, but Norwegian forests tend to do that more often than others and are a little bit better at not getting themselves stuck in the trees. So this character is sitting in a tree, just chilling, enjoying her existence. For coloring, I chose to give this character pale skin and then give her clothing and her hair various shades of gray, as Norwegian forest cats don't tend to have other colors than white and gray in their pattern. Most of the ones I've seen tend to lean towards having more white in their face and chest, and then the top of their head and their backs have the gray. Sometimes it's striped. They're very beautiful cats, honestly. And that's the end of today's video. Please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'm really trying to grow this channel. And leave comments below what you thought about my drawings and how I can improve. Thank you. Bye.